Here at Healing Manger, we want everybody in our community in Cape Breton here to feel welcome. Mental health right now is such a struggle. Every household has an issue, but we really want to be here for our community, and that's what we're here for.
It is a long drive into the privacy of the countryside, but clients appreciate the confidentiality here and the beauty.
I've seen horses heal so many people and save so many lives. It's unreal what an actual horse can do for somebody, and I want everybody to know that you're not alone.
The Healing Manger Farm offers immediate therapy in two ways. One, from the comfort of your own home with online counseling by a certified Canadian counselor. Or, number two, in-person animal therapy here at the Healing Manger Farm, for nature heals. On Saturday, October 11th at 7003 Kempthead Road, there is an open house and optional walkathon from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. to raise money for mental health therapy. Everyone is welcome. We are celebrating this event on World Mental Health Day, so consider getting a few sponsors and either walking on your own time or with us. You're also invited to just come and see the farm, enjoy the free chili, the music, and the animals. Thank you for your consideration, and join us at healingmangerfarm.com.